यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम् धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Good morning. I am again with you with facilitators. My dear loving children, again and again, time and again, every morning, I am using facilitators to facilitate you two aspects. Rather, two would be very important to be reminded of you. The first is to invoke you and to reinvigorate you from the dampened spirit and to encourage you so that your perspiration really enables you to conquer any kind of stumbling blocks which you face in day-to-day life. Facilitators mean idioms which I always bring for you so that it really facilitates you in your uninterrupted fluent English. Such kind of practice will definitely help you and empower you to embolden with a kind of confidence which shall bolster your speaking power. Now let us start. All the rage, very fashionable, very much in fashion. In Mumbai, there is a fashion streets. And the books shopkeepers, they are just standing. That is just by the side of the road. And the clothing which are on display, it is said, it is all in the rage. All are in fashion. That's why it is called fashion street. All the rage. And the idioms are all the rage or all the rage. It is one and the same. It is in the fashion, all in the rage. ये चलेगा क्या? अभी देखा, there are some cuts around the knees. These are what? These are all the rage. All are fashionable. All are in fashion. All the same. Anyway, nevertheless, nonetheless. It's very important to use this. Anyway, nevertheless, nonetheless. You might not have come across these words. Anyway, all the same. Anyway, leave this. Don't worry about it. So this is the simple use of the word anyway. Nevertheless. Nevertheless, मतलब अरे कुछ हुआ तो छोड़ दो उसको. कितना भी खराब है, nevertheless he is a good child. That is the use of the word nevertheless. Nonetheless. Nonetheless means कुछ हो या ना हो, फिर भी वो अच्छा है. Nonetheless, all the factors of against him, he is a good child, he is a meritorious child. So, all the same, the meaning is anyway, nevertheless, nonetheless. Withstanding anything, any kind of predicaments, he stood first. So, here the description of the word anyway, nonetheless, nevertheless, all got encompassed. चलो यार, कुछ भी हो, बच्चा बहुत स्मार्ट है. Despite all kinds of odds, nonetheless, to speak about the predicaments, he stood the test of the time. All the tea in China, great wealth, a large payment. This is an idiom. This is an idiom where you have to use the word all the tea in China. The export business was flourishing for maybe Mr. XYZ. So the remittances was also in huge quantum. Once the remittances start flowing in back to India, So what would be this statement? Before that, it was all dry period. So you will say, all the tea in China. How are your life now? So your description, all the tea in China, means great wealth, a large payment. Huge remittances have started flowing in. All the tea in China. All things being equal. All things being equal. In the event that all the aspects of situation remain the same. All things being equal. Despite any kind of, emergency or exigency or any hardships or any turmoil, the economic performance did not slow down. So what would be the scenario to be described then? All things being equal. Okay, there were many bad things, many hiccups which we withstood, but all things being equal. All things considered. Taking all factors into consideration. Recently, the government of India has given a boost to the Indian economy. All things have been considered in the budget. Means, budget process is taking all things into consideration. All thumbs, clumsy. Clumsy means very complicated. I applied all thumbs, no solutions. Means the situation is very complicated. The situations of POK or the perplexing situation on LOC is in all thumbs, very clumsy, very complicated. Pakistan ऐसा है कि मानता ही नहीं है. It has complicated the whole scenario. So it is called all clumsy, very complicated. All very well, true to be certain extent. Now you went on the stage, you had a fabulous speech as per your opinion when you asked the teacher or the judge. How was that? He said, all very well, true to a certain extent. The kind of narrations, the figurative figures in the narrations which you spoke was all very well, true to some extent. But still, it was true to some extent, not that you could have won a prize. All well, all wet, completely mistaken. India attacked Pakistan. That was named as surgical strike. Pakistanis, they were all under impression and they were guarding their fences different way, at different places. And India attacked. India took them surreptitiously. It was all wait for them. It was completely mistaken by them. Because they were trying to prognosticate that western frontiers would be attacked. But India attacked a place which was totally, unimagined by them. So it was all wait for Pakistani Rangers. All along the lines of, in general accordance with the same general direction as the discussions between India and Russia on deal of SS-400 was all in lines of consideration. Matlab, it was all discussed as contemplated before. There was no point of disagreement. A mature hour, a display of incompetence. And suppose two persons discussing, one is very sophisticated, very mature, very seasoned man, and second man is a boy, a childish behavior he exhibits. So the first one, when he is asked to, how would you discuss it with the gentleman or the boy? What would he say? It was an immature hour. बच्चे में maturity नहीं है. Amateur hour. A-M-A-T-E-U-R. An amateur hour. That is display of immaturity. So my dear loving children, it is a time when you have to be in line with the facilitators and get these facilitators as your own. That shall help you to speak better and garner confidence. These facilitators, as I told you a word, are harbinger of good speaking, fluent speaking prowess for you in days to come. Thank you very much.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम् धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि